I'm Kendra Woods, and I did mine on do people's background play a factor into how they view proper sexual consent? And I did this because I wanted to bring attention to how important learning about sexual consent is, because not a lot of people know about it, and so a lot of adults actually don't know about it either. And so what I did for this, I created a survey that had only 6 questions, and that asked for their age, their gender, their highest level of education they completed, scenarios in which they'd expect sex from a partner or significant other, or scenarios that they would experience, such as I have on the far end over there. And so my hypothesis for this was that people with a higher level of education would have a better understanding of proper sexual consent, but that was actually proven wrong. And so my results for this were about 33.7% of people with a high school education expected it in marriage. And you can see that right here actually. And then the rest, it was about out of 34%, and then the rest they didn't, and they were mainly above the age of 20. All the people that selected that were between the ages of 15 and 19 years old. And 17.8% of that same age group said they would expect it if the other person was, they consented to kissing or touching, and that's right there too. Let's see what else. So overall, about 75.6% of women understood proper sexual consent, while only 24% of men did. You can see that in the chart right there. And so age and education they played no factor into that whatsoever. But the people that had a better understanding of what it was checked more boxes in the scenarios experienced rather than those who didn't. And women were also found they checked an average of about 3.4 boxes, while men only checked an average of about 1.6 boxes. And although those numbers seem very small, you have to take into consideration that a lot of people checked a lot more boxes than others did, so that raised the average. Thank you.